Welcome you to the house of Yvonne where all your dreams come true. I've been wanting to do a tutorial on how I do my brows for a minute now, so I decided before I go to work, let's go ahead and do this, get it out the way, and be done, okay? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take my brows from looking like this to this. Before we even get into the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment under this video if you are new to this channel, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. And now let's get into the video. Oh my god. Since we're talking about affordable makeup products, I'm going to take my e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm just going to shape my brows the way I want them to look before applying my mascara. Why did I say mascara? My concealer. And the brow pencil, I think this was $2 at Walmart. It might be $1 at Target, depending on when you go and when they have their sales. Because I remember purchasing a brow pencil from Target one time for about $1. So this pencil is very affordable, and the brush is phenomenal. This is one of my favorite pencils. I'm now using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade Cafe. I've been using this concealer for the longest. I've been using this shade ever since I started makeup about 2 years ago, and I can't get enough of it because the shade is golden. It doesn't leave a ghostly cast on my skin, and it blends perfectly. I like to use, no matter what concealer I use, I like to use the wand to apply the concealer and then go in with the brush to blend it out. So I prefer to do that. In the comments, let me know how you apply your concealer, so maybe I can change it up a little bit and try different techniques. But this is what I like to do. I'm now going in with my e.l.f. brow pencil, and I am using the pen part to just go in and fill in the little bare or spotchy areas in my brow. Even though I have thick brows, my brows tend to like look bare in some areas, so I like to go in, fill them in, and then use the brush to just brush the product through to make it look like a full brow. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Brow Drama Mascara. This product rounds out to $5 at Walmart. That is where I got mine from. If you want to get yours from there, that's how much you'll be paying. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I've helped you with your brows. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram at House of Yvonne, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!